Dear student, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. In our last video, we are attending exercise 2.2. We have already done 3 questions. Now question number 4. Find the product using suitable properties. The first question is this: 738 into 103. In our previous video, I said that in multiplication we will break any number in terms of 0. So in this these two digits we can easily break this number in terms of zeros. So 103 will break in 100 then plus 3. 103 will divide in 100 then plus 3. Now we are opening the bracket. 738 multiply by 100, then 738 will multiply by 3. 73800, then 3 into 8 24, 3 into 3 9, 9 plus 2 11, 3 into 7 21, 21 plus 1 22. Now adding these number 4 1 0 6 7. This is our answer. 73800 2214 41067. This is our answer. Now taking another question. These are two digits. We can easily break this digit. So 258 multiply 1000 plus 8. 1008 will break in 1000 then plus 8. Now opening the bracket. 258 multiply by 1000 then plus 258 multiply by 8. 258 000 then plus 258 multiply by 8. 8 into 8 64. 8 into 5 40 then plus 6 46. 8 into 2 16, 16 plus 4 20. The answer is 2064. Now adding these number 4 6 0 10 6 2. This is our answer. Now take beginning from the question. Find the product. These are the two numbers. We will break any number in terms of 0. The 103 can easily break into the zeros. So 103 will break in 100 plus 3. Now opening the bracket. 738 will multiply by 100. 738 will multiply by 3. This multiplication will give 00 and this by 738 multiply by 4 we get 2214. Now adding, this is our answer. Another question is 258 multiply by 1008. We will break 1008 in 1000 then plus 8. 258 will multiply by 1000. 258 will multiply by 8. Here 30 will. Now 258 will multiply by 8. We get 2064. After adding this is our final answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 5. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? Now, the car tank will filled 40 liter and 50 liter. How much total petrol filled in car? Total petrol filled in car is equal to 40 plus 50 is equal to 90 liters. Total petrol filled in car is 90 liters. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, means 1 liter cost is 44. 1 liter petrol cost is 44 rupees. The total petrol filled 90 liter. So 90 liter petrol cost is 44 into 90. We can break 90 in 100 minus 10. So 44 multiplied by 100 minus 44 multiplied by 10, 4400 minus 440, 4400, 440 minus 0, 6. Then this digit becomes 3. Now borrowing this is 13. 13 means the after subtraction we get 9. This will be 3. So 3. The answer is 3960. He spent in all on petrol rupees 3960. This is our final answer. So let's take beginning from the question. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of the petrol on Monday. The next day he filled the car tank with 50 liters, 40 liters and 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend on the petrol? Now total petrol filled in car 40 and 50 liter. 40 plus 50 is equal to 90 liter. Total petrol filled in car is 90 liter. 1 liter 44 per liter means 1 liter cost is 44. 1 liter petrol cost is 44. So 90 liter petrol cost is 44 into 90. You can direct multiply or you can break this in terms of zeros. 90 is equal to 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. So we will break in this number 100 minus 10. Now opening the bracket, 44 multiplied by 100, 44 multiplied by 10. We get 4400 minus 440. After subtracting we get 3960. He spent in all on petrol is 3960 rupees. So you can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 7. Match the following. First, 425 into 136 is equal to 425 into, we break 136 in 3 plus 30 plus 10. When we break any number in multiplication in terms of addition, when we break any numbers in terms of zeros, this called distributive law. We break this number in terms of plus means addition, distributive of multiplication, distributive of multiplication over addition. This is our right answer. When we break any numbers in terms of zero, this called distributivity, and the distributive in terms of addition, so distributive of multiplication over addition. 2 into 49 into 50, 2 into 50 into 49, we changing the order of multiplication, this called commutativity, multiplication, commutativity under multiplication. This is our answer. 80 plus 2005 plus 20, 80 plus 20 plus 2005, we are changing the order of digits in terms of addition, in terms of addition. So this is our answer. So you can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next exercise. Now our next exercise is 2.3, question number first. Which of the following will not present 0? 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, which is not equal to 0. This gives answer not equal to 0. 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, which is 0. When we multiply any number with 0, when we multiply any number with 0, gives answer as 0. Here 0 into 0 will be 0. When we divide 0 by any number, when we divide 0 by any number, it gives as 0, which is 0. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0 upon 2. The answer is 0, which is 0. So, which of the following will not present 0? A. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. When any number add in 0 gives answer whose number? Then we will add 1, so answer is 1. We will add 10, answer 10. We add 15, the answer is 15. When we multiply any number with 0, gives answer as 0. 0 multiplied by 1 will be 0. If any number multiplied by 0, gives answer as 0. When 0 will divide by any number, gives answer 0. If we divide 0 by 5, it will be 0. If 0 upon 0 is undefined, means infinite. 0 upon 0 is undefined. If 2 upon 0, if any number will divide by 0 gives answer undefined. If any number will divided by 0, this give answer undefined. In fourth, 10 minus 10 upon 2, 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So 0 upon 2, if 0 divided by any number gives answer as 0. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Our next question is question number 2. If the product of two whole number is 0, can we say that one or both of them will be 0? Justify through example. Answer: yes. If the product of two whole numbers is 0, then we can say that one or both of them will be 0. For example, if we multiply two numbers, one of them is 0. 0 into 2, the answer is 0. Property of 0 multiplication is if 0 multiplied by any number gives answer as 0. If we multiply 0 into 0, the answer is 0. If 0 multiplied by any number gives answer 0. If in multiplication we use one digit 0 or both of them 0 gives answer as 0. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 3. If the product of two whole number is 1, can we say that 1 or both of them will be 1? Product of two numbers is 1. The product of two numbers is 1, two whole numbers. So if we use only one time and another will be any digit, we use 5. 1 into 5 is equal to 1? No. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. This is our 5. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. This is the only situation when we use both of them will be 1. Only one condition. Not having one of them is 1, both of them is 1. So answer is, if the product of two whole numbers is 1 for only one condition, both of them will be 1. For example, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Next example, 1 into 5 is equal to 5, which is not equal to 1. If we use one of them is 1 and another is 5, we get answer of product is 5, which is not equal to 1. So let's take beginning from the question. If the product of two whole numbers is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? If we product of two numbers, if we take product of two numbers, one of them is 1 and another is any digit, when we multiply 1 into 5 will be our answer 5, which is not equal to 0. So one of them is 1 is not correct answer. The correct answer is both of them will be 1. The both of them will be 1. If the product, answer is the product of two whole number is 1 for only one condition, both of them will be 1. 1 into 1 will get 1. If one of them use 1, if we use one of them is 1 and another is any digit, for example 5, we get answer of product is 5, which is not equal to 1. So only for both of them is 1. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 4. Find using distributive property. Question number C. 8 to 4 into 25. In distributive property, we will break any number in terms of addition for making zeros. So 25 can written as 20 plus 5, or 824 will break in 800 plus 20 plus 4. So we will break this 800 plus 20 plus 4, then multiply 25. 25 will multiply by 800, 25 will multiply by 20, 25 will multiply by 4. So 800 into 25, then 20 multiply by 25, then 4 multiply by 25. 8 into 25. 8 into 25 is 200. 8 into 25, 200, then 00. 2 into 25 is 50, then 0. 4 into 25 is 100. 500, 100, 600, then 20, 600. This is our answer. In this part, we can break this number or this number. So we will break this number. 125, 100 plus 20, then plus 5. 125 will break in 100 plus 20 plus 5. 4275 multiply by 100, then 4275 will multiply by 20, then 4275 will multiply by 5. 4275 multiply by 100, 4275 multiply by 20, 4275 multiply by 5. The answer is 4275 then 00. We will multiply by 2. First of all, this is over 0. 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 7, 14. 15. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 2 into 4, 8. Now 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 7, 35 plus 2, 37. 5 into 2, 10 plus 3, 13. 5 into 4, 20 plus 1, 21. Now adding these number, 427500, 00, 55, 8, 75132. 5, 7, 5 plus 5, 10, 13, 8 and 5, 13 plus 1, 14, then 1, 3, 8, 11, 11 and 2, 13, 5, 5, 3, 4, 3, 7, 5. This is our answer. In this part, we can break this number easily. So 504 will break in 500 plus 4 multiply by 35. Now 35 will multiply by 500. 35 will multiply by 4. So first of all, this is our 00. Then we will multiply 5 and 35. 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 3, 15 plus 2, 17. Multiply by 4. 4 into 5, 20. 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 4. 4 into 5, 20. 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. The answer is 0, then 4, then 6, 7, 1. The answer is 17640. The question is find using distributive property. First question is 824 into 25. In distributive property, we will break any numbers in terms of zeros for making answer easily. So we break this number 800 plus 20 plus 4, 824. Now 25 will multiply by 800, 25 will multiply by 20, 25 will multiply by 4. Get the solution. In this is our large number, so we will break this number. 125 can break easily 100 plus 20 plus 5. So 4275 will multiply by 100, 4275 multiply by 20, 4275 multiply by 5. After multiplication, we get the answer. In this number, we can break it 504 in terms of 500 plus 4. 35 multiply by 500, 35 will multiply by 4. After multiplication, we get the answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 5. Study the pattern. The pattern is 1 into 8 plus 1. 1 into 8 is 8 plus 1, 9. 1, 2 into 8. 12 into 8. 12 into 8 is 96 plus 2, 98. 1, 2, 3 into 8 plus 3 is equal to 987. 9, 98. 987, 9876, 98765. Now here 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Write the next two steps. Can you say how the pattern works? Now our first question is, write the next two steps. Take from starting 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which multiply by 8? So which multiply by 8? Then addition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The answer is 9, 9, 8, 9, 8, 7, 9, 8, 7, 6, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and 4. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, then 3. This is our next two step. Can you say how the patterns work? How the patterns work? We take this step. Now, taking this step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Using distributive law, we will break this number in terms of not zeros, in terms of ones. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, double 1 and then 1. If we add these number 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, triple 1, double 1 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is this. Next step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will multiply by 8. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 1, 1, triple 1, double 1, 1 into 8. Each of them will multiply by 8. So we will get answer double 8, triple 8, then 4 times 8, then 3 times 8, then 2 times 8, then 1 times 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Now 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. 8, 16, 24, 32, 36. 8, 16, 24, 27. 8, 16, 18. 8, 1, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 8 is equal to 9, 8, 7, 6, 0. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiply by 8, then plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 8 plus 5 is equal to 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 0, then plus 5. After multiplication this, we get answer, then plus 5 is equal to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. This is our answer for justify. Can you say how the patterns work? The patterns work in distributive law. So you can take a screenshot of this. We will take next exercise in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.